Legal maxims and phrases. Actus, legis, nemini, facit, injuriam. Actus, legis, nemini, facit, injuriam. Actus, legis, nemini, facit, injuriam is a well-established Latin maxim that signifies the act of the law does injury to no one. The literal interpretation of the maxim is that no one is prejudiced by a judicial action and legitimate action does not need any qualifications. There is a prevalent assumption that initiating a lawsuit against another party will not affect the second party, other than a frivolous action. As a result, no one may be harmed by a legal action. An act of legislation should be restricted in its application so that it does not infringe on anyone's rights. Particular laws that are in the public interest may be harmful to some people. However, there are no current therapies for such harm. Because the law applies equally to everyone, modifications in the law cannot be made to benefit a small number of individuals. When a law-given authority is abused, the law puts the person misusing it in the same position as if they had behaved entirely without authority in the first place, and this, it has been remarked, is a just principle based on the maxim that the law wrongs no man. For example, a tenant whose house is damaged by fire or storm is not obligated to reconstruct the house to the detriment of himself, even if he is not dismissed from his tenancy to the detriment of his landlord. Unless he makes a covenant of commitment to repair and maintain the premises, except in the event of a fire, tempest, or other disasters, he will be required to rebuild if the premises are destroyed by fire or other casualties. If he is a lessee, he must pay the rent until the end of his term, or if he is a tenant, from year to year, until he determines the tenancy by notice. The landlord is also not obligated to rebuild in the event of a fire, even if he may have insured the property and received payment from the insurance company. To protect the renter against all of these hassles, he must include a particular clause in the lease or agreement. The legal maxim, actus, legis, nemini, facit, injuriam, will be applied in this situation. For regular updates, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.